Living in our car while we travel, it's right there, means we've had to make everything compact. And I feel like we've done a pretty good job of finding things that we need, but without them taking too much space. So let's make some breakfast. The first thing is this MSR Pocket Rocket. And it is tiny. It fits in my fist. It's awesome. And it goes with this butane propane mix, and it's literally what it's called, a pocket rocket. It heats things up so fast, sometimes actually too fast. If you want to simmer something, it's not going to work. But as you can see, it's like a whole machine, you know? It stores super well, and it's really easy to set up. So I'm just gonna set it up real quick, get all these legs going. Make sure this is on off so that when I put it in here, it's not already coming out. And here we go. Tighten it so that it's not too tight. Boom. And we're ready to go. Now, the second thing that we have that's super compact is our pots and pans. These are the Fire Maple set, and this is 3 pots and pans. You've got your little pan, which I'm about to use to make quesadillas, and then this handle actually closes it really nicely. It's pretty strong, and the top works for both the pot and the pan. And then inside you have some sort of a kettle. It's not really a kettle though. I didn't love that at first. It's not a kettle. It isn't fast boiling, but it is faster than the pot, so I'm pretty happy with it. So today we're gonna use this guy right here, and it also has a handle on the bottom. I'm just gonna turn this on, and it is loud, like a rocket. And now I'm just gonna make some quesadillas, and I'll be right back. While the quesadilla is getting made, I'll show you the other thing I love that's very compact, and it's my French press. And this French press is also where I drink my coffee from. So I don't have to have a cup and a French press. French presses are usually huge anyway, so it's all in one. All you do is heat up some water, put some ground coffee in the main cup, and once the water's heated, you put it in there, let it sit for like 4 minutes like you would in a French press. And once it's good, you're gonna press it, and then you drink. And it's all in one. Washing while outdoors is kind of annoying, but it's always annoying to wash dishes while outdoors. So there's another quesadilla in the pan, and this is how this one turned out. Oh yeah, that's a beauty. Nothing like some pepper jack cheese. Would say that was a complete success. Now, let's see how long this pocket rocket will take to heat up this much coffee. Time to turn it up. It does really well in the wind. Well, I don't need to boil it because it's a French press, but it's already pretty much boiling. So let's make that French press. My coffee is already in there, and so all I have to do is pour the water in, and I'm gonna let it sit for about 4 minutes, and then I'll put this in there. And now all I have to do is press of my press, I guess. And I'll actually show this close up because it looks really cool. That's some good looking coffee right there. And right now it kind of stuck on me a little bit. When that happens, all you have to do is push it up a little again and then push it down again. And there you have it. Beautiful. And that is breakfast in the outdoors.